Hey guys, kamusta? This is Sandel and this is Isko, my favorite bike, 100% Pinoy pride. Alright, bike check tayo. It all starts here with the frame. This is a Devel project Meta V2 PH edition. It's a Philippine flag inspired design. Nung nakita ko to, kahit meron na akong isang MTB, nag-decide ako na magbuo ng isa pa. Okay, so nagandahan talaga ako. And of course, it's carbon, kaya gusto kong matry yung carbon mountain bike. Meta V2 limited edition, one of only 100 units. So I got this, dalawa yung version nito, isang white, isang black, but I chose the white one kasi syempre, tas Philippine flag talaga yung dating. Wala namang black sa Philippine flag natin diba? So when I got this, I decided na I wanted the overall look of the bike to also be white. Medyo mahirap lang i-execute but nagawa naman. Okay, so dito tayo sa cockpit. This is a Dodici Stem 8 Pro, of course white. This is an MSC ultralight handlebar, and dito ako nahirapan sa fork natin. This is a Fox Float 32 factory edition. Siguro mga almost a month kong hinanap to, buti na lang nakita ko ng online seller. Okay, so yan, match na match siya. Tapos dito naman sa seat post natin, this is an EC90 seat post, okay, with a nuke-proof Horizon saddle. Okay, may blue accent. And ito rin, blue accent ergon grips. Doon naman tayo sa drivetrain. This is a straight Shimano XT. Pero yung brake set niya is a quad piston SLX. So wheel set naman natin, I have the DT Swiss XR331 coupled with Schwalbe tires. Dun sa rear natin is Racing Ralph. Sa front naman, Racing Ray. Sa hubs, I have Crimson Claw hubs na oil slick. Ganda. Wala man siya sa color scheme pero sobrang ganda kasi nung oil slick for me. So I got it. Okay. Sa pedals naman, it's a wheel up pedals. Tapos sa bottle cage, it's an S-Works rib cage. And I also replaced the chain with a KMC gold chain. Pati yung mga bolts pinapalitan ko with titanium bolts, Risk titanium bolts na gold, na kasama na rin yung stem cover. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. That's Isko for you. So shout out to Chain Reaction Cycles for helping me with this one and my other bikes. Kapag may kailangan ako sa bike, pag nagpapa-tune up, sila lagi yung katulong ko. So thank you Chain Reaction, and also thank you to Aaron De La Cruz and Vagabond for having me, featuring me and my bike. And a shout out to all the cyclists out there. Enjoy lang natin yung rides and lagi tayong mag-iingat. So see you next time.